What's up guys, it's me, CoolMisterE. Today, we're doing our first fishing video. I've been waiting to do this for a while. I got huge inspiration from X2 Goodmaster. You can find his channel by going to my homepage and clicking on my friend's channel somewhere there. This is pretty interesting, and let's just hop right in. So, oh, there we go. Second fish. Okay. Look at that. Oh, there we go. It came off the hook. Pull them on the side. There we go. Oh, oh, that's a big one, Oh, yeah. It's a pretty big one. It's stuck. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Oh, what a beaut.
That's a big bass, bud.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, let's go. This one's smaller than the other one. Well, no, it's not. Actually, I don't know. Might be the same one. So in this next clip, I accidentally hit my hat and it fell right into the creek in a pretty deep part. So I had to jump in and get it. And, well, let me just show you what happened. So what's going on in my mind right now is that I know GoPros are waterproof. So I know I have to retrieve it somehow. So I take my shoes and socks off and jump in the creek to go get it. It is connected to a hat, so it gets stuck on something, and I grab it and pull it out successfully. Thankfully, I didn't mess it up. So as I looked over the footage of the underwater shot, I thought it looked pretty cool. So I decided to get some more underwater shots. Here they are. Okay, back to the video. Oh, here we go. probably gonna get my line stuck. Yeah, I literally called it. Oh, there we go. Okay, look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you